I'm going to teach machine learning this spring. These days, anybody can download a machine learning library and build models with it. But not everybody can answer questions such as, should we build a machine learning model for this task? If we do, what model class should we use? And then what are the levers we have in order to improve the performance? How are we going to evaluate the performance of this model? What are the biases that will come into the picture as we train the model, as we test the model, as the model ages over time? All of these questions are going to be discussed in the first part of the lecture. In the second part of the lecture, we're going to do hands-on learning. We'll split into groups, roughly 3 people, give or take, and we're going to discuss the assignment. And I'll be roaming around and the teaching assistant in order to help answer any questions. And if you are productive in this time, you should be able to make good progress towards delivering the assignments. This way, you can leave any time for learning outside to reading and other activities. In the third part, we're going to focus on demos. You're going to present a project, a machine learning project that you've done before, or you read about in a paper, or maybe an open source project that you have visibility into. And for every demo, it's going to be 5 to 10 minutes, including questions. And you'll present the problem, the machine learning approach that they took, what are the trade-offs considered, and basically imagine yourself doing this project and asking yourself, why would they make these choices? What would you do differently if you were to execute this project? If I do my job well, and if you do your part, you should be able to qualify for an interview as a junior machine learning engineer and pass it. Also, a little bit about me. I have taught at UW a couple times before. I worked at Microsoft Research, at Google Research, at the Allen Institute for Artificial Intelligence. I did my PhD at Carnegie Mellon University. I worked on a lot of projects in machine learning. I really enjoy, like covering a lot of breadth when it comes to machine learning applications. So I did work on supervised machine learning, semi-supervised, and unsupervised. I, my PhD focused on low resource languages and building language universal models. Later, I led a research team that became the leading uh, research group for understanding scientific documents, so understanding the images and the text in the documents and doing some analysis using them. So that's what's available today in Spanish Scholar. I worked on a genomics project. It was published in Nature Biotechnology. I had a ton of publications in various conferences, but really, what I learned the most is the hands-on projects, not the publications per se. The publication is just icing on the cake. Excited to have an interactive class and share my learnings with you and learn some more from you over the course of the spring. See ya.